Okay, this is my 2010 DK Cygnus. I got, I got Eastern something for bars. I can't remember. There, my friend gave them to me, so yeah. All right. Then I got DK forks painted black. And I got Haro Hypno Rim laced to some Haro, I think a Haro Hypno, I think it's a Haro Hypno hub with a Fit FAF 20 by 2.3 white wall. And then I got 2010 DK Cygnus frame. I just ordered the Kink taco frame in gloss black. So I'll do another bike check. And I got the Shadow Conspiracy fat. It's really nice. I like it a lot. I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. Run them all year. Then I got DK stock cranks. I got Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. Green Can C chain. Oh shit, my chain is not going to match my bike at all when I get this thing. Okay, and then I got, in the back I got the Haro Hypno. I used to have run brakes, so my wheel is effed up. Hi, Radar. 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 Say hi. Okay. Haro Hypno is still Haro Hypno. My driver is freaking loud as hell. You wanna listen? I'm not even gonna lie. Listen to this. Do you hear that? Oh my god, it's so loud, isn't it? I'm just kidding. I made my hub silent. I like it. I like it better because it's kind of annoying. And yeah. Did I forget anything? Oh, and I just ordered a stolen integrated headset for my Kink Taco. And then I got a DK bottom bracket. Oh, here's some clips.